What is love? Love for me is giving all of what you have. Giving everything that you think your special someone will feel she's important in love. It cannot be explained as simple as it is. But suddenly, you'll realize what true meaning of love when you're into it. Love will always be one of the most important things that will ever happen into your life. And lastly, love will complete the missing you. You'll never realize what I've been through unless you're not in my situation. But I promise, in the right time, I'll be fine and will always be thankful for all of your support and prayers. Thank you.
Give your all to me. I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when how many times do I have to tell you, even when you're crying?
Hi, I'm Hiro Malyari. I grew up in Tabang, Linto, Bulacan. I'm 21 years of age and I became a member of Hyperdynamics Dance Troupe since 2010. Siguro kung may gusto man ako i-date, yun yung simple.